हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल विशुद्ध एजुकेशन 2.0। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को ठोको। आज आमी आलोचना करिम क्लास 10 फुटप्रिंट उइदाउट फीट किताबखনৰ द मिडनाइट ভিজিটৰ चैप्टार नम्बर 3 द मिडनाइट ভিজিটৰ। এই চেপ্টাৰটোৰ অতি গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ কোৱেশ্চন কেইটামান আমি সলভ কৰিম। ভিডিঅটো শেষলৈকে চাই থাকিবা, স্কিপ নকৰাকৈ। তেনেহলে আৰম্ভ কৰিছো ভিডিঅখন। কোৱেশ্চন নম্বৰ 1, হাউ ইজ এছাবল ডিফাৰেণ্ট ফ্ৰম other secret agent? ঠিক আছে। Answer. Assamese was different from other secret agents because he lived in a small room in the musty corridor of a gloomy French hotel which was on the 6th and top floor. ঠিক আছে, একদম ওপৰৰ ফ্লোৰতে থাকিছিল। There was nothing thrill or adventurous about it. Question number B, who is Fowler and what is first authentic thrill of the day? Answer. Fowler was a writer and he had come to meet Assamese. Fowler's first authentic thrill of the day came when he saw a man in Assamese's room pointing a pistol toward Assamese and himself. Question number C, how has Max got in? Answer. Max had got into the room using a pass key or master key. Question number D, how does Assamese say he got in? Answer. Assamese say that he got into his room from the balcony. Question number 1, Assamese did not fit any description of a secret agent Fowler had ever read. What do secret agents in books and films look like? In your options, discuss in group or in the classroom. Stories or movies featuring speech, detective and secret agents, and compare their appearance with that of Assamese in the story. আমাক দল বানি পেলাই এইটো কোৱেশ্চনটো কৰিব দিছে, আলোচনা কৰিব দিছে, ডিসকাস কৰিব দিছে আমাক। Answer. Secret agents in fiction are projected like idle men, tall, dark and handsome. They are usually well built in and keep beautiful women for company. Question number 2, how does Assamese manage to make Max believe that there is a balcony attached to his room? Look back at his detailed description of it. What makes it a convincing story? Answer. Assamese managed to make Max believe that there is a balcony attached to his room by telling a fake story that this is the second time somebody had entered his room secretly through the balcony, and he had also complained to the manager to block the balcony. Question number 3, looking back at the story, when do you think Assamese threw up his plan for getting rid of Max? Do you think he had worked out his plan in detail right from the beginning, or did he make up a plan taking advantage for events as they happen? Answer. No, I don't think that he had worked out his plan in details right from the very beginning. Yes, sir. he took advantage of the events as they happened. Isabel made a story of the balcony outside the room, and as there was a knock at the door at the same time he told it would be police. All these events threatened Max. চেনেলটো যদি ভাল লাগিছে চাইফালে ভিডিঅ'টো যদি তোমালোকৰ বাবে যদি অকণো যদি উপকাৰী হৈছে তেনেহ'লে চেনেলখন ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিবা। ভিডিঅ'খন আমি ইমানতে সামৰণি মাৰিছোঁ। যদিও ভিডিঅ'টো চাই ভাল লাগিছে লাইক এটা কৰি দিবা আৰু কমেণ্ট কৰি দিবা। ঠিক আছে, থেংকছ ফৰ ৱাচিং। আৰু লেটেষ্ট আপডেটৰ কাৰণে চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰা, বেল আইকনটো প্ৰেছ কৰি দিবা।